Papua New Guinea is located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean and is part of the Melanesian region. The country shares the island of New Guinea with Indonesia, which covers the western half of the island. Port Moresby is the capital and largest city of Papua New Guinea, situated on the southeastern coast of the island. Papua New Guinea has over 800 different languages, making it one of the most linguistically diverse countries in the world. Tok Pisin, Hirimotu, and English are the official languages used in the country. The country's population is approximately 9 million people, with a wide variety of indigenous cultures and traditions. Papua New Guinea is known for its unique and vibrant traditional art, including carving, weaving, and painting. The Highlands region is famous for its traditional sing-sings, where tribes perform music and dance in full cultural regalia. The country's tropical climate means it has lush rainforests, rich biodiversity, and a variety of wildlife, including many endemic species. Papua New Guinea's official currency is the kina, which was introduced in 1975, replacing the Australian dollar. The nation gained independence from Australia on September 16, 1975. Agriculture is a major part of Papua New Guinea's economy, with coffee, cocoa, and palm oil among the top exports. The Kokoda Track is a famous hiking trail that commemorates the World War II campaign between Australian and Japanese forces. Port Moresby is the political, economic, and cultural center of Papua New Guinea. The city is home to a blend of urban and traditional lifestyles, with modern amenities coexisting with indigenous communities. The National Museum and Art Gallery in Port Moresby displays important artifacts and artwork from Papua New Guinea's diverse cultures. The country is rich in natural resources, including copper, gold, oil, and natural gas. The geography of Papua New Guinea includes mountains, forests, and extensive coastlines, providing stunning landscapes. The country is home to the world's third largest rainforest, contributing to its high levels of biodiversity. Papua New Guinea is famous for the bird of paradise, a stunning bird known for its elaborate plumage and courtship rituals. Many Papua New Guineans still practice subsistence farming, relying on traditional methods passed down through generations. The Torres Strait Islands, located between Papua New Guinea and Australia, are known for their rich indigenous cultures. The cultural diversity in Papua New Guinea leads to countless festivals and celebrations throughout the year. Papua New Guinea has a unique system of land ownership, where land is often owned by clans or tribes rather than individuals. The country has experienced intense political and social changes since gaining independence, with various challenges and growth opportunities. The traditional dress in Papua New Guinea varies by region, often featuring colorful patterns and detailed accessories. The variety of dialects and languages reflects the rich tapestry of cultural identities within the nation. The Baning Fire Dance is a famous traditional dance in which performers dance with flaming torches, offering a glimpse into the Baning people's culture. Gastronomy in Papua New Guinea includes unique foods like sago, taro, yams, and a variety of seafood. Hunting and fishing remain essential parts of life for many coastal and island communities. Port Moresby has a tropical rainforest climate, characterized by high humidity, abundant rainfall, and warm temperatures year-round. The city is often overlooked by tourists, but it offers hidden gems in terms of culture, history, and natural beauty. The National Parliament House in Port Moresby is an architectural landmark, featuring traditional designs and cultural motifs. Feudal Agricultural College in East New Britain is one of the premier agricultural institutions in Papua New Guinea. The Duna and Melpa tribes of the highlands are known for their sophisticated knowledge of their local ecosystem. Papua New Guinea has an extensive network of rivers, with the Sepik River being one of the most famous. The country celebrates its diverse cultures and traditions through various cultural festivals, attracting both tourists and locals. Many islands in Papua New Guinea, such as New Britain and New Ireland, have distinct languages and culinary traditions. Port Moresby is not only the political capital but also an economic hub, hosting numerous businesses and multinational companies. The Pinom River is integral to the economy and lifestyle of many communities in Port Moresby. Education in Papua New Guinea is improving, but challenges remain, particularly in rural areas.